Nicky's Knob by Justin Orlando. Twist it, polish it, pull it. For immature readers, Nicky's Knob. Nicky had a trusty knob, so firm, so smooth, so neat. He'd call his friends from near and far to give it a little tweak. Some polished, some turned, it mattered not to Nicky. As long as they came for his knob, he really wasn't picky. "I'm hosting, come on over." First came Lucy, short and sweet. She polished the knob with care. A gentle buff is all it needs, she cooed with savoir-faire. This is how I needed to start the day. Just don't get any polish on me this time. Then came Then came Jack. All rough and bold, he gripped it with a grin. "I like a knob that fights me back," and gave it quite a spin. Whack! Bro, have you ever polished a knob before? Like, not even your own? Sandy tried a softer touch with fingertips so light. "A knob like this deserves respect," she shivered with delight. "You're handling it well. This is a really big knob." Tom the plumber. Tom the plumber took his turn and gave it a knowing smirk. "If it ever gets stuck or sticks, my friend, some grease will do the work." I was using spit. Oh, God. Kim from Kim from yoga stopped on by and breathed in through her nose. A twist, a turn, a little tug. She touched it with her toes. "Bet you've never had this done to it." "Kim, you're a certified freak." Oh, no, Manny. Manny, always curious, gave Nicky's knob a flick. "I've seen a lot of knobs before, but none that turn that quick. I am so embarrassed. Please don't tell anyone. I'm gonna go. This was a waste of a try." Manny's telling everyone. Then Miss Bell from down the road, she grabbed it with both hands. "A sturdy knob is what I like," she gave a firm command. "Yo, it looks huge when you hold it like that. Let me take a pic." Oh my God, I need both hands. Then came Joe the handyman, who took a thoughtful stance. A knob should always turn with ease. He wiped the mess on his pants. "It just needed lube." "We did it, Joe." Oh, God, his pants. Next came Dwayne, a mountain man with calloused, heavy palms. "I handle knobs like I handle an axe." But Nicky stayed quite calm. "I'm gonna swing the hell out of this thing." "Okay, Dwayne, Dom Daddy, calm down." Sophia came with bruised knees. And she chased around the rim. "A knob like this needs gentle hands," she whispered with a grin. "Your knob seems to like this." "You're gonna make it unlatch." Ricky spun it round and round and grunted as he swayed. "Your knob is losing its bounce," he said with some dismay. "Are you into toys at all?" I said no talking. Oh, God. Okay. Last was June, who leaned against the knob with great might. "This knob's been through a lot, my friend, but I'll polish it up right. You just let me know when you finish." "Dude, I'm gonna finish with a rabbit in hand." That's quite a finish. The guys and gals all came for fun and screamed with their delight, but now Nikki's knob is limp and needs to rest for the night. What happened? Oh, thank God it's the end. Poor Nikki.